Peppa Pig, a family trip. Peppa and her family are going on a trip. Mommy Pig is packing their bags. Are you sure we need all that stuff, Mommy Pig? Daddy Pig asks. Yes, replies Mommy Pig. It's all very important. Mr. Bull takes Peppa, George, Mommy Pig, and Daddy Pig to the airport in his taxi. Miss Rabbit checks in their bags. Then it's time to board the plane. Airplane, meow, says George. Off they fly, higher and higher through the clouds. Whee! Before long, their pilot makes an announcement. We are about to land in Italy. Miss Rabbit, who is also their flight attendant, says, Please fasten your seatbelts. At the airport in Italy, they find their rental car. Once they are on the road, they discover that the GPS only speaks Italian. Why is everyone beeping their horns at us? Asks Peppa. I think they are just saying hello, says Mommy Pig. Onk, beep, beep. Suddenly, Peppa remembers something very important. Teddy! I left Teddy on the airplane. Oh dear! A policeman on a motorbike pulls Daddy Pig over. Hello, officer, says Daddy Pig nervously. Good day, the policeman replies. Reaching into his bag, I am returning this young bear. Teddy! Cries Peppa. Once they arrive in town, Mommy Pig suggests they do some sightseeing. Their new friend Gabriella Goat shows them her pretty village. Mommy Pig buys a lot of things to take home. They are going to need another suitcase. Gabriella's uncle shows Peppa and George how pizza is made. A little bit of tomato, a little bit of cheese, says Uncle Goat. Into the oven and into my tummy, says Peppa. I like pizza. What a lovely, relaxing trip, says Mummy Pig as Daddy Pig drives back to the house where they are staying. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has been pulled over again. Mr. Pig, says the policeman, reaching into his bag. Your Teddy. Teddy! Cries Peppa. After a few more days of fun, it is time for Peppa and her family to go home. Bye-bye, they call to Gabriella Goat and her family. What a lovely trip, exclaims Daddy Pig. Yes, I have never felt so relaxed, says Mommy Pig. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has been pulled over by the policeman for a third time. Mr. Pig, please take better care of your Teddy, he says. Teddy! Cries Peppa, hugging her bear. We're going home today. Susie's sheep is waiting for Peppa when she gets home. It rained while you were away, says Susie. Hooray! Cries Peppa. Family trips are fun, but coming home to muddy puddles is even better. Peppa thinks Teddy is happy to be home too. The end.